Did you know that there is more than one way to make custard?
Hey, we're going to make custard today using two methods. These are the ingredients.
Method 1.
Add 2 cups of milk and turn the heat on. Mix custard powder with little sugar and water to make a paste. Add the custard paste to milk, then whisk well. Continue to whisk until a thick consistency is formed. Simmer for 3 minutes. Now you can add the sugar according to your taste. The custard is ready.
Method 2.
Heat 2 cups of milk. Add the egg mixture and whisk. Continue to whisk until thick, then simmer for 3 minutes.
The custard is ready.
Enjoy! Bilhana wa shifa. Thank you so much. See you in the next video.